What if I told you that you can trade $500 crypto totally without risk? Wouldn't it be nice? If you make money, you just keep it. If you lose the money, you don't care because it wasn't your money, it was a free trade. And exactly this is what I want to show you in this video. I will show you how to get a $500 airdrop free trade where you can make money but you cannot lose money. If this sounds good to you, please stick until the end of the video to show you exactly the steps that you have to take, and it's very short. It takes you maybe 3 minutes. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Ronnie. I'm from Germany. I'm investing in crypto from 9 years ago, and I'm actively trading in the last 5 years. I've tried so many exchanges. I was hacked. I lost money. I was trading on exchange. They had no liquidity, so that finally I lost a lot of money. And in the last days, I think a lot of you have lost also money. And that's why I think this $500 free airdrop trade comes exactly in the right time. When I was starting to trade, there was no such offer. There was just Coinbase, there was Binance, and some small other scammy exchanges where you was really scared to deposit your money. So I would have given anything to get a $500 free airdrop. But now I don't want to take any more of your precious time. Let's jump into the content and show you step by step how you can claim this $500 free trade. But this offer is only available for a limited time. So watch this video now until the end. Don't wait too long, because then this offer and your $500 free airdrop trade might be gone. Let's go. Okay, you only have to click the link in the description or in the pinned comment, and you click here to sign up or to register to claim. Now here you can put your email or mobile number, and then you just click here and you have to solve the puzzle, and you will get an email with a code that you have to put here. So you see here I have already gotten my email 261100 261100 and ready. Now you have to log in again and again solve the puzzle so you can enter into the platform. And you will see this. So now you will just go and claim in rewards. You can see here is your $500 position. So you can now trade with $500, but you have first to complete the task. Okay, what is the task? First of all, you need to deposit, but I will show you something. USDT is most likely that people will use. You have to upload an ID card and you have to upload a selfie. So now here, verify. You click on it and then it will show you this. You go, you say wherever you live, Spain or Mexico or Nigeria or wherever. You click here and then he will show you this and start a verification. You can scan here this code with your cell phone, and with the cell phone you can take a picture from your passport, from your ID card, from your driver's license or whatever document you want to use for the verification, also a selfie of yourself, and you are ready to go. So once you have solved all this task, you are eligible to get $500 as a position, and you can open this position with different coins. You can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Ordi, Pepe, Doge, Sui, XRP, Ondo, and Dog with Head. So yeah, you see it's very, very easy. Here you have again the airdrop process. If you forget something, complete the airdrop task, claim the voucher, use the voucher, and take your profits. Okay, now you understand it's relatively easy to get this $500 free trade. All you need is here in the description or in the pinned comment, click on the link, finish the task, and enjoy this free ride. But as I told you before, hurry up, because this offer is for a limited time. If you wait too long, this offer might be gone. And why lose a $500 free trade? Imagine if you can do some good trades and you can maybe 10x this money with altcoins. So this would be $5,000 just for free. So take advantage of this. And if you say, hey Ronnie, I don't know how to trade, yeah, I have the solution. Here in the description and also in the pinned comment, you can find the link for my premium trading group where I share 5 to 10 highly effective signals every single day. And guess what? As you sign up for Bybit, you can get in for free. So what you waiting for? It's literally free money. If you found any value in this video, I would like to ask you to give me a thumbs up and share this video with people that you know that maybe also have lost money in crypto and would be very happy to get a $500 free trade. Also, you can share it in groups and WhatsApp, in your stories, would be highly appreciated. Thank you very much. Take very much care of your crypto. Hope to see you soon in one of my next videos or in my trading group. Until the next time, bye. Bye.